Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're back with our Liberium trading update. USD, USDT, and Bitcoin pairs. How you doing, Success Pro? Yes, we had some take profits today. Decent profits on those trades. And we're just building forward. The market is going in our direction currently, which is good news. How's trades going on your side? What kind of profits did you see on your side? I'm just curious, what did the market bring you? Just getting everything in place. Make sure all set up, ready to go. See on some places. Just need to adjust something. Here we are. Charts up. There we go. Let's get everything in place. It's been an interesting weekend. Going down, and finally we saw a push off. So what happened? Finally, in 9 weeks, we finally had to close on the weekly candles for Bitcoin on the green. We're going to the weekly chart. We can see last week finally closed in the green, and that currently gave us the push off. How far will we go back is the question. Well, if we do use our Fibonacci retracement, let me just find it real quick. I was on the right hand one. What? There we go. I knew I had it. On our retracement all the way to the bottom, I reckon the 61 level is gonna be our next bounce, meaning we could possibly see a $33,000 Bitcoin. Will it go up there? I sure hope so, but I'm not looking at the analysis. I'm doing my style and I'll just keep on trading. How are you doing, Jamie? Are you trading or are you just popping in? What are you up to on that side? Also, as you guys can see, Liberium crypto we're currently trading through, and a great exchange to use for it is KuCoin. Both of the links are pinned if you're not using them yet. KuCoin has multiple functions where you can generate profit, not just by trading. So make sure to look at the videos. There will be a few popping up where you can use small amounts to start generating something. But let's get to alerts. We'll start with our USD, USDT pairs today. Let's update them and get them in place. As we can see, our first target for Bitcoin is on the 32,200. And it's moving slowly but surely that direction. Thank you, Jamie. Tell me, what's your experience so far? Do you like the technology of Liberium? Cardano. First alert to hit. Take profit did. We just came short of the second one. So let's get our Cardano in place. $65.4 is our next target. So it did trigger perfectly. I'm just going to readjust my buy limit order for Cardano since we've hit a take profit. Thank you, appreciate it, Jamie. Well, what I'm doing exactly for me is happening for you guys. I'm taking exactly the same trades. The trades I put in happens on my account, and that's what's happening in your account. You're just following the trades I'm doing for myself as well. That's brilliant. So the 3rd of the 6th, meaning the 3rd of June. Yes, it has to be the 3rd of June. We didn't start back in March yet. Sorry, some countries, the dates are just reversed. I'm glad you started on a perfect time because you just caught as the market pumped. So what's your thoughts? Besides following me, do you trade anything on your own as well? Alright, so our Cardano trade for the USDT pairs are in place. Algo hit profit, hopefully on its way to hit another profit level for us. Let's see. Algo 4307. So original 40-cent profit did hit. We'll readjust our buy limit order. Just add another one. Buy limit order for Algo is placed. So we'll just reset our lines and alerts. Get them back in place as well. Well, that's the benefit of technology. You can follow traders. If they know what they're doing, hopefully I can keep on doing and giving you the gains we're currently getting. So where are you based out of? Which country? I know I'm Success Pro who's here often as well. He's in Canada. So it's quite a range of people that's popping on and chatting with us every now and then. And tell your upline I'm saying thank you. Alright, they just need to update there. Straight up north from me. Alright, Algo is in its place. Litecoin 6220. Make sure it did trigger. Litecoin. Next trade is 70.30. Yes, our trade did trigger. Gave us decent profits. Readjusting our buy limit order. Our Litecoin trade is back in place. We'll just reset our lines and alerts, and then Litecoin is good to go also. Are you just following the USDT pairs, or are you following the BTC pairs as well? Now, I might pronounce this wrong, so please excuse if I do. Welcome to the channel, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑. Thank you. I'll try my best to keep it up. If the markets plays along, it's pretty easy. If the markets doesn't play along, we might see quite a few trades open, because I'm not going to trade any, or let me put it this way, I'm not closing any trade that's not in profit. So make sure you guys have enough trades available just for in case we see a drop coming. And yet again, if I pronounce your name wrong, please excuse. We'll blame it on the accent. Well, if you can do both, it's always good. But if you only can do one, USDT will be more stable on your account balance. If you trade Bitcoin against another crypto coin, if the market drops, your entire portfolio drops rapidly, and some people don't like seeing that. But you have to remember, trading Bitcoin against another pair, your focus is on increasing your Bitcoin, not your dollar value. Trading dollar against crypto, your account balance should be more stable, and you're increasing your USD or USDT value. Litecoin is in place. Matic gave us profit. We had quite a bit of profit trades that came through. Now, I did see your comment, I'm Success Pro. You had 2 trades in profit and a third one that's close. It should be still there and might be just under the pin message on my side. That might be the reason. Let's just... Yes, I think it's just under the pin message, I'm Success Pro. Sorry about that. Anytime, Jamie. Let me see, 70. We're going to reset our Matic buy limit order, and we did eat profit on 64.6. 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑. I'm only opening trades if the market goes that direction. I don't put any trades in market trades unless the market has dropped rapidly. To give you an idea on this current chart, you see 4 different colored lines. The white lines is where there were supposed to be buy orders, but the market jumped too fast, so I didn't enter any trades there. The red lines is where I'm taking profits on trades I've opened. The green line is my latest trade that's been opened. And the yellow line is where I'm putting buy limits. If the market dropped to that line, only then I'll be opening trades. So I'll be adding my limit order for Matic, replacing it. Hi Carlos Costa. What I'll recommend is for a small account, go with the minimum trade size of $50. With $500, that will give you around 13 trades. If the market goes the wrong direction, you might be stuck in trades for a while, unless you're able to add a small amount every week or any month. I have a few that's following me, and they're starting with small amounts, but they're adding funds monthly to keep them in trade. Gotta remember, with the Liberium technology, you're not paying a monthly subscription, and you're only using one of your trade tokens when a trade confirms. So if you don't have funds in your account and a trade doesn't confirm, you're not losing a trade token. So it gives you the opportunity to add funds as you go along. And that's what making the system so unique is you're in control. If you don't like a trade I open, you can just go and close it. If a trade has enough profit and I haven't taken profit and you want to take profit, you can take profit. If you don't like the system, you can just delete your API keys. And yet again, your funds stays in your own account, putting you in total control of what's happening. Yes, I agree. I'm Success Pro. That's how I started as well. Started with a small amount, just keep on adding, and I built myself a portfolio. And that's why I'm able to trade full time at this current stage. Matic is in place. We have any other USD. We got Solana. So Solana looks like it's going to be our last USD USDT pair. Let's make sure it did trigger. Yes, it should have triggered. Looking at Solana, our next take profit is 47.34. But this trade went through perfectly as well. Solana, setting it up. Just going to add on new buy limit order for Solana. Hello, Ahmed. How are you doing? Welcome today. Well, I'm Success Bro. I've been living off crypto since full time since the 1st of January 2020 now. Our Solana buy limit order is back in place. We'll just reset our lines. We'll readjust our alerts, make sure we know which trades went through. That's great. So your portfolio should have grown nicely currently. I'm Success Bro. And Parval, I'm just going to call you Parval. So I reckon that's the easiest way to the right pronouncement. I don't have a clue what you said, but I guess you greeted Amit. I'm just going to make sure and check if every USDT and USD trade is in order. So our USD and USDT trades are in place. We're going to move over and we'll start putting our BTC pairs in place as well now. Looking at our BTC pairs, we got a few trades in the plus, but still just small profits. Nothing major yet on the BTC pair. Let's see, did any of our trades close in profit today? Make sure about that. So on the BTC pairs, we have two pairs that closed in profit so far today. One at 7.2% profit and the other one at 6.46% profit on my side. At your side, it might be a small variation depending on your exchange when the trade went through. Talking about exchanges, make sure to have a look at KuCoin. They're working great with the technology and have a lot of options to build yourself up in crypto with small amounts. So let's work on it and let's get our BTC pairs in place. I didn't trade over the weekend, so we might have more than two pairs to adjust. First one is Cardano, which gave us profit as we just mentioned. Cardano, the next trade is a tooth. Sure. Ah. Get this, there we go. Now our next take profit is 212. So yes, our trades need perfectly. So we're just going to add a new buy limit order for Cardano. Then we'll readjust our alerts and trades. Cardano places trades. Or our Cardano trade is in place. Just going to set up our alerts. You are, Cardano is in place. AVAX. Looking at AVAX. There was profit as well. So today is a good day. All our trades we're currently opening is profit trades that's been taken. AVAX going. Next take profit is 8965 is correct. AVAX. We'll add our new buy limit order. Everyone in the chat, tell us where you're all from. How are you doing, AS? How are you doing, Faustino? I'm not sure how to pronounce your first name. I'm trying my best, just following my strategy and keep on building around it. And remember, if you haven't yet, smash that like button so we can keep on growing this channel and building forward from it. We don't see many spot traders live stream, so it's probably not the easiest thing happening out there. Hi, Job Freedom. I hope your name is saying exactly what you're doing. You're jobless. In a good way. Liberium is pretty quick. It's a lot quicker than the previous system we have used. It's taking seconds to update trades, so they're really good and the technology is really fast so far. Seems like we're from all the corners of the world today. We have Canada, we got New Zealand so far. I've seen Portugal. Which countries else? That alert is in place. Just need to color that line. Well, you said at the moment, so it doesn't seem like you're planning on working the 9 to 5 forever. BNB gonna be our first trade where we're putting in a new buy limit order because one of our buy orders went through. BNB Trinidad AHK, I forgot about you. I agree. It's planning and taking that leap of faith, attempting it. Yeah. BNB did trigger our buy limit. So we're just going to add a new buy order. I did get a question why I'm always just talking about adding buy orders. The reason is the moment I put in my buy limit order, I already add my take profit or sell. So it's not needed to come and put it in later on. New BNB order is in place. Now we can just add our alerts. It worked for me, Job Freedom. So hopefully it can for you. Planning, and the main thing is adjusting to the markets. You're going to see a lot of volatility in the markets, and that's scaring a lot of people off. If you can stick through it, you'll survive, especially if you're only going to do crypto. Our alerts for BNB is in place. Let's see, do we have any other trades? Solana. A double profit from Solana. Great work, Solana. Solana's been struggling with a lot of downs on the blockchain. So that's pushing their price down quite a bit. But the technology behind Solana gives us the opportunity to go up the moment they can get rid of all the bugs that's currently bugging them. So let's look at Solana. Great news seeing a double profit trade over the last few days. In Solana, our next profit is going to be at 15.11. So both our take profits did trigger. I'm just going to readjust my buy limit order for Solana. Our Solana buy order is back in place. We're just going to reset our lines and alerts. Our lines is back in place. Just resetting our alerts. Here we go. Tesla dodges. That's tomorrow morning. We're readjusting that. Amazon USD, that's tomorrow morning. So that's all our crypto trades is in place. I do want to make sure about something. On one of my near trades, I saw something. I want to make sure about near. Near protocol's been giving me a lot of trades going through. So I just want to make sure that one is in place. So on BTC side, that's fine. And on our USDT, I want to make sure about something. 𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙣, that's correct. $495. Yes, our nearest 100% correct. I thought I saw a mistake I made on placing where my take profit should be, but it's all in order. So that's a wrap. All our trades is in place. Any questions before we pop off? Anything you think it's going to happen in the market, please let me know. And remember, I'll be live streaming every day as possible at 3 p.m. SAST time, updating my Liberium crypto trades that hasn't been updated at that moment, and we just can build forward and keep on growing. If you haven't joined yet, the link for Liberium is in the pinned message. Have a look at the system. The API system, in my opinion, is going to take control, and it's going to benefit a lot of people in the future because you're staying in control of your funds. Also have a look at KuCoin, a great exchange, the people's exchange. It's pretty easy to use, and I do a lot of my trading through them. We'll give it a few minutes. If there's any questions, pop up. Otherwise, we're going to call it a wrap for today. Yes, Parvel, the opportunity of opening trades can happen. To give you an idea, this is my list for all the different USD, USDT trades I'm trading. The first yellow line is a buy limit order. So for example, here on Cardano, if the market drops and it touches that line, even though I'm not live streaming or not in front of people, the trade will open. The same with Algo. If the market drops towards the yellow lines, trades will open. Let's see which one is the closest for a possible open today. We just saw BNB BTC did open today. Let's see Bitcoin. Just going to go through them and see for you which one is the closest to opening. I follow my own trading system and way of trading, so I'm not forcing any trades. The market has to go the direction and open itself. So currently we're pretty stable on trades on the USDT pairs. Most of them is moving towards take profits. Let's have a look at our BTC pairs real quick. Let's see if there's any opportunities of trades triggering there. Anything? It looks like 𝙒𝙗𝙧 is moving towards, but it still has a little bit to go. Let's see how far. That's still 5% drop before we get in with 𝙒𝙗𝙧. See if there's anything close. It's a pleasure job, Freedom. I hope the market keep on going the right direction for all of us. There we go. So Parval, what are you trading? USD, USDT pairs? Because it seems like we're gonna have a Dogecoin trade any second. Let me go to the BTC side and see, did it trigger yet? Because it doesn't look like it has crossed the line. Let me see here. For a Dogecoin trade. Now Dogecoin hasn't triggered yet, but it's pretty close. So the moment Dogecoin trades crosses that line, then we'll have a new buy order, but currently not. So looking at the USDT pairs we just did, Parval, we might wait for a little bit longer. Have you started trading yet, or are you waiting for your first trades? Is that why you're asking? Oh, that's brilliant. All right, they're not close currently to any orders opening unless the market turns around. But waiting is the key. If you can have patience and wait in crypto, the opportunities is endless. And hopefully tomorrow, when we live stream again, you would have seen your first trades gone through. So guys, I'm going to call it a wrap. We're going to lock off. Hopefully we'll see some trades triggering through the night, give us profits, and one at least to give Parval his first entry. Have a good one. See you all tomorrow. Smash that like button if you haven't yet. Take care.